Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this 3D hearts candle. Super cute, super easy, and super fun. So if you like how this looks, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used. For this project, I used pink spray paint, a white candle, E6000 glue, and something called table scatter, which I got from Dollar Tree, and I'll list everything I used in the description box just so that you'll be able to find it with ease. My next step is to spray paint the candle completely pink, so I'm going to go outside and do that and come right back. This is the candle now that it's been painted pink. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some of the table scatter and add the larger hearts, and then add the smaller hearts to the inside of those hearts. So let me show you the first step and I'll be right back. This is the table scatter, and all I'm doing is taking a little bit of E6000 glue and spreading it onto the either side, because both sides are decorated, of the table scatter. So I'm just like lightly putting it on this side, and you kind of want to be generous with it, actually not too light. So I'm going to take this, and then you can just put it anywhere on the candle. So let me pull this up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna like place it wherever. So I'll put it right there. Oops. And it's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but you get my idea. So I'm gonna attach that and come right back. This is what the candle looks like now that the hearts have been added. The hearts are kind of difficult to make stick to the paint. So my suggestion is to put the glue on the heart and then let it get a little bit tacky before you add it, because the glue does eat up the paint. But this is a general idea. And then down here is what I wanted to show you, is the 3D effect. So I just took the opposite color heart and glued it on the inside of the larger heart. So I'm going to do that all the way around the candle and show you the final results. As a reminder, this is what the candle looked like before. This is the final result. It's really cute. Your hands get really messy, but it's worth it. It's such a cute idea, and it didn't take that long to make. And I love it. So hopefully you'll make this for Valentine's Day. I think it's cute for like a themed party. It's not very romantic, but it's certainly fun if you're going to spend Valentine's Day with your girls and just have some wine. So as always, I hope you have a great week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.